We want a direct and efficient way to represent the equation of a line using a single point and its slope m. Hello math learners, Hassan here. Welcome back. In this video, we're diving into writing equations in point-slope form. The value of the slope and a specific point on the line aid in the visualization and understanding of the linear function through another dimension. When it comes to writing equation in point-slope form, we just need a single point on the graph and the slope. So in this case, we basically need this point, which is denoted by x1, y1, and the slope m. So this equation is useful when we know one point on the line, which is x1, y1, and the slope of the line m. And this can be used to find other points on the line as well. So let's look at this example over here. It says write an equation in point-slope form of the line that passes through the point -8, 3 and has a slope of 1/4. So first, we'll just write down the point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m parenthesis x minus x1 parenthesis closed. So now we'll need to apply the formula. We plug in the values over here. We have y minus y1 is 3 over here. Our slope is 1/4, and the x1 is -8. So whenever we need to find the point slope form, we simply keep this structure over here. We don't need to isolate this y over here. So by simplifying, we just get y minus 3 equals 1/4 x plus 8. This structure is the point slope form. And that's pretty much of it for the equation in point slope form. Pretty simple, right? Now let's try to apply the strategy over here. Over here, we can see the line is passing through the point 3, 2, and we can also see that we have a rise and run provided on the graph. So how can we find the point slope form for this graph? So the structure is we first need to find the slope. For slope, we use rise over run. In this case, our rise is 3 and run is 1. So slope is 3/1, which is reduced to 3. Now that we have our slope, we can plug it in the point slope formula, which is y minus y1 equals m open parenthesis x minus x1. So we have y minus this x1 and y1 is representing the point over here. So y1 is 2, our m is 3, x minus x1 is 3 as well. So this is the point slope form for this graph. Now let's see how we can convert the point slope form to slope-intercept form. For this, we basically apply the distributive property over here and then get rid of this y1 value to the right side. Once we do that, we just get y equals mx plus b form. And that's our slope-intercept form. Let's see how we can apply this to this equation over here. So first, we apply the distributive property. Once we distribute, we get y minus 2 equals 3x minus 9. And then we add 2 on both sides. Adding 2, we get y equals 3x minus 7. You can see that these 2 cancel out from the left side and we get 7 on the right side. So y equals 3x minus 7 is the slope-intercept form. From here, we can see that our m is 3 and the y-intercept is -7. So it's the same equation, but in a different form. So remember, these two equations are basically the same equation. And there you have it, the art of writing equations in point-slope form unveiled. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Now, let's get to study.